One of the most popular day hikes destinations and wild camping sites in Lofoten Islands in Norway is Kvalvika beach in the island of Moskenes, about 100 kilometers from the main city Svoelvaer. The official starting point with the free parking area is located next to the paved public road. If the parking is full, don't leave your car alongside the road, since you might get a parking ticket from the wrong parking. The beginning of the path is well marked with a sign. However, there are signs for other optional starting points as well, but they require paid parking since they are on the private land. The distance from the free parking area to the beach is about 2 kilometers, and the path is well marked and well used, so there's not really need for a map or a risk of getting lost on the way. Terrain is quite rocky and at times it might be wet, so the path is best walked with a good hiking shoes. Like in so many other hiking routes in Norway, there's no shortage of magnificent scenery, and one cannot but wonder the power and the beauty evident in the creation. The short distance from the road makes Kvalvika beach very popular wild camping sites. There's no official facilities like toilets or running water, but on the other hand, it is also free of charge. Kvalvika beach is actually made up of two separate beaches, the northern and the western beach. During the low tide, these two beaches join together, but during the high tide, the only way is to use the path crossing the hill between the two beaches. The western beach has also some nice campsites to pitch a tent. However, this beach was quite dirty with many plastics washed down with the sea. There was a sign asking all visitors to take some rubbish along from the beach and to carry them away in order to get it cleaned. We decided not to return the same way we came, but instead took another route back to the parking area. This made the trip longer, but the scenery made it well worth the effort. This path took us back to the same public road, and the last 5 kilometers we walk on the road back to the car. Altogether, our round trip was 12 kilometers. If you like easy and short distance hike and don't mind other campers close by, the Kvalvika beach is a good option. We really enjoyed it as a good day trip destination. However, if you are more into wild camping with campsite a bit harder to reach, but where there's much less people, you should try Horsehead Beach. We went there for 3 nights, and you can see a video of that hiking trip very soon here in our channel. Thank you for watching.